Can you believe it? This TikTok account is making $400 from just one video. It has a massive 250,000 followers and a mind-blowing 8 million likes. And the craziest part? It's so simple. Their videos are getting millions of views and people love them. Check this out. One of their videos has 48 million views with 4 million likes. And the comments? They're absolutely wild. Some people even think these animals are real, and they say the videos help them relax and smile. The best part? Every video is just 1 minute or more, which is perfect for TikTok's creativity program. And guess what? This account isn't just making money from TikTok. They've got 4 more ways to cash in: selling displays, posters on Etsy, items on Redbubble, and even ebooks on Amazon. They're absolutely crushing it with this simple but brilliant strategy to make money. Step 1. Getting prompt to create the images. And for these I have already done for you, and I will leave it in the description below. Please create a table of prompts for dog, deer, and fox. Here you can enter any animal you want in all 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, and spring, with 4 image prompts per season for each animal. The prompts should describe how the animal interacts with its surroundings in each season. Then let's paste these prompts to ChatGPT, and we get like these the same results. Step 2. Creating the images. For these we can use Leonardo or Magic Media from Canva. Both of them are free, but for me, I will use Canva Magic Media. Let's open Canva, the mobile video, then to your left scroll and you will find Magic Media. Then let's paste their prompts here and choose the style to be cinematically, to choose square or mobile size ration, and hit generate. And after a few seconds you will have these amazing results. So then you need to generate all the images fast. Step 3. Image to video. Now to convert the image to video, we will use Pixverse AI. It's an amazing tool, but while generating it take time, but it worth it. You open the website and upload the image. And to generate the video from Pixverse AI you have to write a text prompt like breathing or any motion you need on the image. So just upload the images one by one and generate the images. Step 4. Editing. For these, open CapCut and upload all the images, then drag all of them to the timeline, then change the ratio 9:16, then add transition for all of them one by one. I think the dissolve one is good. After that, add background music to the videos that match with the images, like relaxing one some music, and done, we have created the video. Let's watch what we created.